Hello, I'm Anthony Hughes. Let's look at inputting slurs in Dorico. Slurs can be added to note both when note input is active and the character is showing, and also outside of note input, working with existing notes. Possibly the most straightforward way to create a slur is to select an existing note and click the slur button in the notes panel, or press S. A slur is created from the selected note to the following one. Select multiple notes and press S to create slur over all of them. Dorico will automatically create slurs on the correct side of notes, looking at things like where the notes are on the staff, stem direction, and if there are multiple voices. Slur direction is controllable, however, and you can even create slurs with multiple segments, using something called properties that I will cover in a separate video. You can also create slurs as you input notes. After you have input the first note, click the slur button or type S. As you input more notes, the slur will extend to cover them. End a slur by typing the key command Shift-S. Clicking the slur button or pressing S will always create a new slur, even when there's already a slur present, and even during note input. This way you can create nested slurs, perhaps to show bowing and phrasing in a string part. You can create slurs across voices or even staves. Just make a selection and hit S. You can even slur across instruments, if that's what you need to do. You can change the start and end position of slurs by dragging the handles that appear when selected in write mode. You can move a slur with the key commands of Alt plus the left and right arrow keys, and shorten or lengthen them by adding Shift. And that's how to input slurs in Dorico. I'm Anthony Hughes. Thanks for watching.